welcome to Exodus Beauty. I'm Regina and so I'm going to be reviewing the Perfect Hairline wig in the style Tianna. So this is, as you can see on the box here, it's a really nice bob style, and it's got a 13x4 frontal, which is great for versatility in terms of hairstyles, as you can see here on the box. I've gone for the colour in Cinnamon Wine. Given it's the festive season, I thought I'd go for something a bit Christmassy, and also something a little bit out of my comfort zone, because I normally stick towards like your blacks or your dark browns, for example. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So just in the box, you can see the wig there with a really nice colour, and it's just got the hair care instructions. So the wig comes in obviously a protective net, which is good. Right, so here you can see the wig, you can see the colour, which is a really nice colour. It's not really something I'd ever normally go for, but I really like the colour. So just a few specs about the hair. It has got a 13x4 frontal, so as you can see, it goes from ear to ear. It also comes with an elastic in it for just that extra added security. Make sure your wig's not gonna fall off or anything. Save you the embarrassment. It also comes with some clips inside as well, just again for the extra security. And then I'll just show you the inside of the lace. So you've got a good amount of lace there to work with in terms of if you want to switch up the hairstyle for like a more versatile hairstyle. It's also pre-plucked, which is great, because for me, I'm someone who's not amazing with plucking. Sometimes I tend to over pluck, so when I get a wig like this, which is already done for me, it saves me the hassle of potentially messing it up, which is good. And it also comes with baby hairs as well. So yeah, I really like it. It's a great length. It's also it's quite full as well, because I'm someone who doesn't like very thin hair. So it's definitely a good amount of hair on the wig. I can't complain. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on for you, and I'll pretty much style it all on camera. So I've just put powder on the front of my stocking cap, and I'm just gonna put the wig on now. So it has got a transparent HD lace. You can see it there, that it is very transparent, which is great, which helps for a more seamless transition from obviously your skin into the wig. It's also, as you can see, the hairline has been perfectly plucked, which is great. I definitely wouldn't need to pluck any more at all. So yeah, I really like the hairline. It's definitely a good, you know, I haven't even used the clips because obviously I've got the stocking cap underneath, but with the elastic band alone, like, it fits very snug, which is great because you won't find your wig shifting at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera because I can't do this in this camera at the moment, but I will do this off camera and come back. So I've just come back from cutting the lace, or the excess lace from the front, and this is how it looks in a middle part. I definitely love the fact that it's got a transparent HD lace, so it definitely does give a more seamless look. One thing I probably would do though is I definitely need to add a bit more powder probably to my stocking cap, and also I don't think you can see it very well, but one thing I probably would do as well is just to bleach the knots, just to give it that slightly more natural look. But no, I really like it. I love how transparent the lace is. It definitely does look very flat, and I really love how it's laid. Yeah, you can also see once again how seamless the hairline is. I really love the gradient of it. It definitely gives a very, very natural hairline. So if you wanted to have it, you know, back or anything, it will still look very natural, very nice. So this is me with the middle part. And then I will go ahead and show you also me with a side part. I definitely really like the side part. I think this suits me a lot better. And the hair's very soft and smooth and silky, so it's just very easy to just run my fingers through it. One thing I would say, which I think is probably the only downside, is I have had a little bit of shedding, just from me sort of playing around with it. But apart from that, I personally really like it. There's not much else I would even say is a downfall for it. I really like the versatility of it. If I wanted to have it up, obviously I probably would glue these down. But you can, you know, you can have it up, you can have it back, you can have it in middle part, side part. I'll just show you this again. So as you can see again on the box, she has got 3 different hairstyles, which just shows you how versatile this unit is. And I've just given you the middle and the side part, what I've shown you on camera. But no, I really like it. And if you did want to go in, you can also go in with the baby hairs as well. So just to round up my thoughts on this wig, I definitely love the length. I think it's a great length. I'm definitely one who prefers slightly longer bobs than short bobs. I think my favorite part about it is the hairline, the fact that you don't have to do much to it at all. As mentioned before, it's just such a seamless hairline. It looks very natural, and you know, sometimes you get hair that says pre-plucked and you still have to go in and do a bit more plucking, whereas with this I don't think I would need to do any more plucking at all. The only thing I probably might go in and do is just to bleach the knots a little bit, because the closer up you are, you do see them a little bit, but even as that, it still looks very natural. I also love the fact that you can use heat on it. It doesn't say that it's human or synthetic, but I think it might be a synthetic wig, but you can use heat on it up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So the fact that you can use heat on it to style it as well, I love the fact you can do that. And just the versatility of it, I really love the fact you can have it in a middle part, which I showed you previously, the side part which I've got on now, or you can even have it half up, half down, as the lady has it on the box here. So yeah, I really love that. I love the fitting of it. You know, I haven't even gone in with they've got 2 combs here. I've not even done put those in because I'm wearing the stocking cap underneath, but just even with the elastic band alone, it definitely feels very secure on my head. So I definitely love the unit overall. The only con I would say, which I think I might have mentioned before, was just the shedding. There was a little bit of shedding from just styling it, but apart from that, I can't really say I have any other issues. I definitely really like it, and it definitely has a very natural look. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and please comment your thoughts, and like the video, subscribe, and let me know what you think of this unit.